What's happening, everyone? I hope everyone's good. This is a slightly different video to the type that we usually post. We're gonna attempt to turn this garage into a gym. Cool, so first things first, there's a lot of stuff in here that I really don't want, we really don't need, so let's empty it out. I think I might be able to use this still, so let's see. Alright, cool, so I'm gonna bring you in so you can see what's at the back. Alright, so this bad boy, I am not using this for anything. I can see there's a little cupboard underneath here. Anything good in here? Nope. That's gonna go. Let's do it. And the back wall behind me and some of the side walls are showing me some stuff that we're gonna have to deal with before we move anything in here. So let's have a look at those real quick. So this is something you can sometimes get in garages, especially where the wall is next to the neighbor's garden. You can see that there's some stuff that seems to be coming through. So we've got a bit of damp here, we've got a bit of damp on the back wall as well. Behind the back wall actually is the rest of our garden, which is raised up. So I'm gonna have to damp proof that. A little bit of extra work, but it's all good. I don't want to be in the gym and seeing patches coming through the wall. Who wants that? So yeah, that's gonna be the next thing to sort out. Okay, let's call it a day and we will get back on this tomorrow. All right, so it's day 2. Bree's here.
Hey.
So as you can see, it's completely empty now. So we're ready to start damp proofing the walls. We've got this stuff called tanking slurry. So what we've got to do is wet the walls first, and then we'll mix that up, paint it on the walls, get it damp proof. We good to go?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay guys, so it's day 3. Plan today is to do the second coat of the slurry on the walls, also to get started on our floor. So we're going to put down some self-leveling compound to make sure that the floor is flat. Disclaimer, we are not professionals, okay? I am a novice, okay? So I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just literally learning as we're going along. Okay, you can hear our gardener. Okay, so this is our second property. Our first property was great and it was a project, but the most we did in it was design it. The rest we just let other people do the work. So we decided with this property that we wanted to do as much DIY as possible. So that's what you're watching us do. Why? Because it's fun. At the same time, saves you a bit of money. Okay, so let's go.
Today is day 4, as you can see. Tanking slurry is dry on the walls. There are some patches that are a little bit darker than the rest. All that is that tanking slurry, as it's drying, sweats. We are damp proof now. We're good to go. Now, we said that we were gonna level the floor yesterday with the self-leveling compound. So let's see how that went down. Yeah, about that. So obviously the floor's still looking a bit crusty. So the reason why we have not put down the self-leveling compound yet is because last night, the tanking slurry, where it joins to the floor, was not completely dry. In order for us to level the floor, we got to have a totally dry, totally dust-free floor. So I'm gonna get on with that today. Bree's actually gonna join us in the next phase because she's working all day today. I've actually got the day off. So we'll catch up with you once this is done.
Hey guys, it's day 5 and it's my favourite day, paint day. So we're sticking with the grey and white theme that we have going through our house. And we've got the very best from our research anyway, Sandtex. So we've got pure brilliant white and a special grey, which we got the last in stock actually. And we've also got some floor paint. So this is industrial semi-gloss floor paint that is perfect for gyms. So let's see how it looks.
Cool, so it's day 7. Inside's done, outside's done. Let's set up the gym. You ready, babes?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do it. Cool, so that's it, we're done. Basic startup, we're gonna get more stuff as time goes, but if you like this video, hit like, drop a comment, subscribe. We'll see you soon.